Hello, and welcome back to Heroes of Boredom. So it's been 2 weeks I think I've missed now, so I should probably get back to it. Sorry about the delay. My annual convention, ASIN, which is Anime Central, some other, stuff, uh, happened, and it kind of threw me all out of whack. We're just finally getting back to normal in my household. We're unpacked, we put everything away, everything's happy again. But I wanted to show you guys the mount that I had made for my Nintendo Switch. So, this was made in preparation last year for a road trip my fiance and I were taking down to, up technically from where we are, because we're south of Chicago. We went up to Michigan to visit her grandmother, like we usually do annually. It's a nice, quiet town called Skoda, Michigan, and yeah, it's a long drive. It's pretty much a nice day's worth of casual driving. You can probably get there faster if you're going a little bit more hardcore, but we like breaks. We don't like killing ourselves or getting annoyed because we're hungry. So we stop off a lot. So it was right around the time we were heavily playing our Switch, which I got and never made a video about because I was on my hiatus. Um, and so we wanted to be able to take this with and play it in the car and hook it up and charge it, comfortably. So it was mainly for her because I was driving, of course. She got to enjoy, gameplay and relax while I was, suffering through leg cramps and trying to stay awake. But yeah, so I made this for her, my fiance, and it allowed her to play comfortably. So this file is not too complex. I really love it though because I put a lot of work and engineering into this thing. But here on the back, we can see these parts right here are slots so that we can feed through like a 1 inch strapping material that will allow you to kind of like wrap it around and buckle to the visor. These guys right here, these little circle parts, these are vents. Okay, so the important thing when designing stuff like this is to make sure that you compensate for what's going on with the device. And in the case of the Nintendo Switch, it actually has intake vents, which I'll show after I'm done going over the file, that take in air from right around this area, and it moves it through the device and dispenses it out the top to provide cooling. So I wanted to make sure that this was a spot that was unblocked so that the device could get air. So what I did was I did these cutouts and we did some nice bezeling there, and I put these these vents that go underneath because this whole backside is going to be up against the visor. So I didn't want that to be blocked off, and I didn't want the device to not be able to get fresh air. I mean, like it's a Nintendo Switch, so it doesn't run mega hot, but it gets pretty hot. So I didn't want it to be in a situation where it's going to overheat. So I made sure that I put these vents in so that they could draw air from the bottom and it'll feed into this back part and it'll never really be truly blocked. So that was that. And then if we flip around to the front here, we have the nice big cutout for the for the screen. And it's kind of the same principle as what I do with my bike mount files. I just kind of we pop it in the top and then it hugs it holds it tight. And when I was originally thinking about doing this, I was looking to see, make sure there wasn't anything out there already for a visor mount for the Switch, because if there was, I would have just been like, hey, let's print it and go, no big deal. But I'm very particular about my electronics and everything, and I don't want a flimsy mounting system. I want something that's going to hold it, keep it tight, safe. I don't want something. One of the things I saw was held together with rubber bands. So I was like, okay, that might work for somebody else, but that's not going to work for me. So I built this in a way that it'll just slide in there. It's not going to go anywhere. It's gripped nice, tightly, and safe. And yeah, so like that's just the way I went about it. Like, people could probably create other methods that maybe wouldn't take up as much material, but I really like the things that I make to last. Like, I don't want them to be a one-off. I want to print them and I want it to be good. So this is what I came up with. So it holds it really snug. And then, you know, other than that, there's not much else going on. You got your port for the charger down here, so it's totally accessible. You could just pop a cable right up, you know, have it hooked up to your car's USB because it's a USB 3 charger, and then, you know, like, you just, that's good. And these little cutouts right here on each side, that's just so that the speakers can funnel the sound out, and you can get, you know, good audio. I mean, like, it's not super great. It's not, you know, it's not like a surround sound system, but, you know, the built-in device audio can escape and make its way into your ears unimpeded. So that's the device. Well, that's the file for the device. And so here I'm going to switch my camera views so that we can look at the file a little bit bigger. So there we are. So we have the switch here, if I can line up where my camera is without being an idiot. And then here, this is what I printed. So it's like, just, if you go to like hardware stores and stuff, you usually find this material. I had a bunch of it laying around, but it's essentially like backpack strapping. And so what we did is we just kind of, I did it. If Samantha had done it, it would probably look a whole lot nicer. But I took these and I set up these buckles, which you can also find at the hardware store pretty easily. So like, they just kind of, you know, clip on and off, and you'll wrap it around your visor, and you'll strap it down tight to whatever fits well. And, you know, it'll just hold it to the visor for your, you know, road trip enjoyment. So if you take, so here's the bottom of the device, here's those vents that I was pointing out earlier, and then the strapping, it's designed so that this strapping will actually sit flush in there, so it won't get in the way. Like, once you put the device in, it just kind of sits comfortably, like it nests down in there, so it's not a big deal. And then your straps are just there, so you'll mount it and it'll be good. So you can see that the vents, I actually printed this probably about 3 or 4 times to get them vents lined up right, so they're completely unblocked right there. Boom. And then what it does is it vents out the top here, so it moves the air through the bottom of the device and out through the top. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, you know, you print it, you create your straps, and once you got them all sewn together, you're good. It's just one simple loop to get that guy on there, and then this one you just slide on the end for the adjustments. And then I tacked the end, I just kind of folded it over once and sewed it down again, so that the piece won't fall out when it's not buckled up. And yeah, that's it. I'm probably gonna go film several more videos so that I'm not late updating on Wednesdays again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys liked this file, you guys liked this build, you want to see me do more Nintendo Switch stuff, subscribe and leave me some comments down below. And that wraps up this video, so I'm gonna stop talking. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.